Hey guys, I got some green peanuts. So we're gonna boil us some peanuts. How to boil peanuts? You just stay tuned and watch till the end. Oh yeah, these are the ingredients. Let's get to the seasonings. Do you like your peanuts hot and spicy? Or do you just like them regular? Let's find out. All right, you guys, it's your girl Shella, and we're going to be doing some boiled peanuts. Oh, yeah. This is everything you'll need. Make sure, remember, we're going to wash these nuts. After we wash them, we're going to let them soak. Soak for 30 minutes because these are green peanuts. They can soak for 30 minutes with about a cup of salt. No more than a cup of salt. Once they have soaked, rinse them off again, and let's get them ready for the pot. Oh yeah, that's where the fun begins. We're ready to put them in the pot and get to cooking them. We're going to fill it with water. Oh yeah, and we're going to pour in 4 cups 3 times, as long as the water is covered over your peanuts. And now we got the water in, we're going to start adding the seasoning. First, we're going to start with the seasoning salt. We're going to put about a 1/4 cup of seasoning in there from the seasoned salt. We're going to also be adding some cayenne pepper because we want to get some spicy peanuts. And we're putting about maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of that in there. And now we have our red pepper flakes. As y'all can see, Frank wasn't too happy with me adding that spiciness to it. But oh well, he'll get over it. Now we're going to add about a tablespoon of that black pepper. Oh yeah. And last but not least, we got some Goya. Yeah, some Goya chicken powder. We're going to put that in there. We have a total of 2 packets. And once you get those 2 packets in there, we're going to do a stir. And we're going to put that lid on there. And we're going to put it on high so that we can get it to boiling. Once it starts boiling, we'll turn the heat down to about simmer. And we'll let it simmer for about 4 hours. 4 hours. All right, so we will see you guys back at the counter in 4 hours. But for you, it'll just be a second. But guess what? Don't forget, come to our PromoSTK, Eating Good in the Neighborhood, and watch us mukbang these nuts. Oh, yeah. And check out my cooking channel, PromoSTK, Shell's Creations Way. If you guys are family here on this channel, on my Eating Good in the Neighborhood, be family with me also on my cooking channel. That's where all the magic happens. All right, so we're going to close that lid up, and we'll see you soon. All right, you guys, we're back, and 4 hours has passed, and our boiled peanuts are ready. Who wants some boiled peanuts? Good. Oh, yeah. The peanuts are done. And let's try one. Oh, yeah. Ooh, they are hot. Ooh. Ooh, they're hot to my finger. Pop this baby open. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Who like boiled peanuts? Oh, wow. Oh, it's hot. It's too hot. Gotta let them cool off, guys. It's peanut time. Who wants peanuts? Boiled peanuts, that is. Oh, yeah.